Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do some sneaker shopping in Los Angeles. But please do take note, I'm actually back here in the Philippines already. I just arrived today. And I wanted to shoot this very quickly to just share with you guys my sneaker shopping experience in LA. And then after sharing with you the shop that I dropped by, I'll be doing an unboxing of the pair of sneakers that I actually picked up. So overall, this is going to be another chill unboxing sneaker vlog. Let's go. If you haven't yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community because we are giving away a sneaker in your size and a sneaker of your choice that you can buy from Commonwealth. So again, all you have to do is all of those things and then hit the link down below in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. So the sneaker shop that I dropped by is actually RIF LA. So RIF LA is a Filipino-owned store that's been operating since I think 2006, 2007. I forgot the exact year that they started, but they've been there for a while now. Actually met up with the owners and the co-founders, and it was such an amazing experience seeing a Filipino-owned sneaker shop booming and just thriving in LA. So it was just so nice to see it. The vibe was there. Filipino Americans were actually going there to shop, and my cousin who lives in LA actually told me that that is one of the best sneaker shops to go to because their prices are actually very reasonable and competitive compared to other sneaker resellers. I don't know if he's biased because he's Filipino, but that's what I'm getting from what he said. Apart from that, just using my own eyes and taking a look at the prices that they had, their prices were really good. I mean, they weren't overkill for the Travis Scotts, for the Off-White Dunks, for the Off-Whites, you know, for the Yeezys. They were actually pretty fair compared to a lot of other prices that you would see other resellers sell both locally and internationally. Now, to those who don't know, RIF LA is also the guys who are behind RIF Manila. So RIF Manila is the sneaker shop over at Secret Fresh. Of course, that's the art gallery of DJ Big Boy Cheng. That's probably one of the reasons why the prices of the sneakers at RIF Manila are also competitive compared to local resellers. Anyway, so that's pretty much RIF LA. So what am I saying? If ever you find yourself in Los Angeles, if ever you find yourself in LA, and you are looking for sneakers, one of the best resellers that you can drop by and check out, without a doubt, is RIF LA. Check them out. The link to their Instagram account can be found down below. Now we get to the unboxing. One sneaker that I've had my eye for the longest time, ever since I saw it online, were the Nike Off-White Dunks, especially the one in the red color. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop one when it was sold online here in the Philippines, and the prices for the red one have just been crazy, so I haven't gotten around to buying one. Now, fortunately for me, they had one in stock in my size. So this is the box. This is the Nike Dunk Low Off-White in the red and white color. So as you can see, it has a silver Nike box with the swoosh. It has the circular cutouts similar to a moon, which is the design motif of a lot of the products that Virgil came out with this particular set of products. I remember the planner that I did in the unboxing in my Las Vegas haul. It had the similar circular cutouts. Watch that video if you haven't yet. So if you pop the box open, you have that yellow and red tissue paper, which is again the same color that came out with the sneaker, with apparel and leather goods that Virgil came out with. So it's pretty consistent. So it is part of a collection. It is not just like another standalone shoe from Off-White. Now, obviously, there's no sneaker inside anymore because I did wear it. So here we have the shoe. Guys, this is the Nike Off-White Dunk Low. Now let's go over the sneaker very quickly. The most striking thing about it is the lacing system because you have two laces going on. You have the red lace, which you can find in the normal space where you find the laces at. And you have this exterior lace which crawls along the entire shoe from the toe box to the sides. You can even lace it in a way so that it goes behind this particular, I don't know what you call this. You can actually hook the laces over there and then you move it back here in front. Now, you have to be pretty careful with how you lace it because, for example, the way I did it, it was just so messy. And if you look at it from a distance, it might look like an eyesore. So just please take note to be a little bit more, careful and precise with how you want to lace the shoe. Now you have that exposed padded tongue over here, very dunk-like. And then you have the typical Nike and Off-White detailing. You have the address here on the medial side. you have the orange tag that can be found on the lateral side. Now, the black and yellow motif can also be found on the insole. So you have the swoosh, you have the design pattern here on both sneakers. In terms of leather quality, it's very similar to the tumbled leather or premium tumbled leather that you get with high quality Jordan 1s. Reminds me a lot of the Jordan 1 Obsidian. So it's a firmer type of tumbled leather. It's not the one that crinkles super fast. But who knows, maybe over time it will crease, but that's the nature of the game when it comes to leather like this one. And as for comfort, I was pleasantly surprised with how comfortable these sneakers are. I mean, I did go like a full size up, so I usually am size 12. I went size 13. I was thinking of going size 12.5, but I wanted it to be extra comfy because I felt that it would be a little bit narrow, especially in the midfoot section. And thank God I did that because it is just the perfect fit for me. And having said that, it was surprisingly comfortable for me. I mean, there wasn't any issue with the room, especially with the double lacing. I thought that the foot containment would be too much. The cushioning was excellent. And I have been wearing it for the last maybe, I don't know, 10 hours. And I really have no complaints on the shoe. I didn't get any foot fatigue, didn't get any foot cramps with the lockdown. It was just an overall comfortable experience. And apart from that, if you guys love attention, if you guys want to wear something that pops and will just turn heads, this one will do the job. Not only is it loud already because of the red contrast with the gray material of the upper, it is even made more louder with the bright orange laces that crawl all over the shoe. So again, this is one of the sneakers that I would clarify under the neck breaker category. I've also mentioned in the past that I'm anti-zip tie. I don't wear the zip ties with a lot of the Nike Off-White sneakers that I wear. And while this looks good with the white one, I'm actually super tempted to keep the zip tie just because I think it looks really nice. It actually adds to the visual elements because it balances out the white here on the midsole. So it's white, gray, red, and then white again. And it disrupts the loud orange at the top. So I'm kind of feeling the zip tie, but I probably will still get it out of the way and just wear it as, without it. Now, to those who keep asking, should you cut this or not? It really depends on you. Some people prefer it without, some people prefer it with. I think one of the things that Virgil said is that one of the biggest things about Off-White is personalization. You wear it as you want it. You wear it depending on your mood and your vibe. So you can take it out for now and maybe on a different day you can put it on. There's no right or wrong way in putting the zip tie or even the lacing system on the sneaker. In fact, one of the things that I'm thinking of, I had a conversation with the Off-White store manager, Perry, in Las Vegas. He actually had the same sneaker. So shout out, Perry. I'll tag you on Instagram with this post. He mentioned to me that he wanted to put like the different laces that you can find from other Off-White sneakers to give it more accent. So maybe one shoe can have the orange and another sneaker can have the green, the same green that you see with the Prestos. That would be really crazy. So again, it depends on your vibe and your mood, depending on what you want. That's how you actually enjoy wearing your, Off-White sneakers based on what Virgil said in what we can find in interviews. RIF LA usually sells this, I think, for $600. So that's roughly 30,000 pesos. But again, it depends on the price. RIF Manila, I think, sells it for a little over that. But Jeff was so kind enough, the guys over at RIF LA, to give me a discount. So I was able to get this for just $400. So thank you to the hookup, man. I really appreciate it. I'm super humbled with the hospitality and how kind you guys were when I walked in the store and how warm you were. So it was really a pleasant experience. I was just in LA, guys, for I think less than 8 hours. Because it was just a long layover. So from Las Vegas, I flew to LA. Then from LA, I would fly back to the Philippines. And it was just the right amount of time to visit 1 or 2 sneaker stores and meet with my cousin and with my uncle. I actually dropped by Melrose. I was supposed to drop by round 2 and hopefully meet Sean Wotherspoon. But I didn't know that there were like multiple round 2 stores. Apparently there's a round 2 vintage and then there's a round 2 sneaker store. I went to the vintage store, so there weren't sneakers. I didn't bother filming and I kind of felt bad because I didn't research. So I spent going there only to realize, it's the wrong round 2 that I wanted to visit. So after that, I went all the way to downtown to go to RIF LA. So I wasn't able anymore to check out all the other sneaker stores, such as Cool Kicks. I think there was like a cookies and kicks store. But yeah, a bunch of other sneakers I wasn't able to see anymore in Melrose. I just went to RIF LA and it proved to be the right decision. So yeah, guys, that's it for this vlog. If ever you find yourself in LA, please do check out RIF LA. They have an amazing shop Amazing staff, amazing selection of competitively priced sneakers. If ever you're here in the Philippines, then check out RIF Manila. They're the same guys behind it, plus you get the chance to meet DJ Big Boy Cheng, one of the biggest sneaker icons here in the Philippines. And to wrap everything up, guys, if you haven't seen my entire Las Vegas playlist yet, I will link it somewhere up here and in the description box so you can watch the entire thing. We dropped by a bunch of sneaker stores in Las Vegas, such as Urban Necessities, Undefeated. We checked out Shoe Palace, we checked out the outlets. All of those videos can be found in that curated playlist that I made. So you can actually binge watch the entire Las Vegas series. It's a total right now of around 7 videos with this one, but I will be adding around 3 to 4 more. One that's tech related and a couple that's still sneaker related. So please do continue watching and supporting our LA and Las Vegas series. And with that said, I hope you guys are all doing fine. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.